The many stories about Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Sikhism originated with Guru Nanak 5 centuries ago. Nanak came from a Hindu family. He grew up surrounded by Muslim neighbors. From an early age, he showed a deeply spiritual character. He broke away from his family's traditions and belief systems, refusing to participate in empty rituals. Eventually, Nanak became a wandering minstrel. There are many interesting stories about Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Watch to learn about some. The birth of Guru Nanak Ji. Early one morning before the light of dawn, Tripta, the wife of Kalu Bedi, gave birth to a baby boy. The baby charmed the midwife who attended his delivery. The parents called an astrologer to predict his fortune. They named their son Nanak after his older sister Nanaki. The family lived in the town of Nankana, which is now a part of Pakistan. Nanak, the herd boy. When Nanak became old enough, his father gave him the job of watching cattle. Nanak would slip into deep meditative trances while the cattle grazed. He got into a lot of trouble couple of times when the cattle wandered into the neighbors' fields and ate up their crops. Nanak's father often became very upset with him and scolded him severely for his laziness. Some villagers noticed very unusual things happening when Nanak meditated. They became convinced that Nanak must be a mystic or saint. Nanak the scholar. One of the villagers named Rai Bullar noticed that Nanak tended to meditate at every opportunity. He became convinced that Nanak had devout disposition. He persuaded Nanak's father to put him in a class where he could receive an education in religious studies. Nanak learned very quickly, astounding his teacher with the spiritual nature of his schoolwork. The teacher believed that Nanak wrote divinely inspired compositions. Nanak the Reformer. When Nanak came of age, his father arranged for him to participate in the Hindu thread tying ceremony, symbolizing man's connection with God. Nanak refused, objecting that the thread had no value because it would eventually wear out. He also rejected the Hindu caste system of Brahman hierarchy. Nanak denounced idolatry and the worship of demigods. Nanak the Merchant. As Nanak matured, his family arranged a marriage for him with a girl named Sulakhani. She bore him 2 sons. Nanak's father attempted to set him up in business as a merchant so that he could support his family. He gave Nanak money and sent him to make purchases. Nanak spent all the money feeding homeless and hungry holy men that he met on the way. When he returned empty-handed, his father became very angry and scolded him severely. Nanak insisted that doing good deeds for others had earned an excellent profit. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.